Our next example is from two different populations, these unshaded columns of heart attack patients and then the shaded columns for healthy individuals. So we've got two independent sets of data. So let's go to our GeoGebra application. So these are for the healthy and the patients who've had heart attacks. Let's select that data. Let's open a GeoGebra spreadsheet. So we'll go into View, turn on Spreadsheets, turn off Graphic and Algebra, and let's paste that data in. Looks like it got all 30 of the first column and 32 of the second. So now we're going to select both, and we're going to ask for a multiple variable analysis. We've got some stacked box plots, which is somewhat interesting. We can certainly see that among the second population, the cholesterol levels are lower, with looks like an outlier out there. Let's get our statistics, and let's give that some room, and let's do a t-test difference of means. I'm going to give that some room again. We're not going to pool it, and let's take a look again at the data. Remember that left column, the data that ended up in column A, is for the heart attack patient, so that's the average for that would be mu sub 1. And then the healthy individuals, that's the second column B, the average of that would be mu sub 2. So when we look at this, we're now asked for the alternative hypothesis. Remember that the first population were the heart attack patients. So let's remind ourselves that we were interested in checking if there were higher cholesterol levels. It says, does the data show that people who've had heart attacks have higher cholesterol levels over patients who have not had heart attacks? So we're basically asking if this first set of data in column A is greater in the average to the second. So when we're choosing this, that means that that difference, if mu sub 1 is greater than mu sub 2, then we expect it to be positive. So that is greater than 0. Here's our p-value, our t-values, and then information for each of those two samples. Our next question is to create a confidence interval for the difference of means. So let's go back to our test and let's change it to an estimate for the difference of means. Let's give ourselves some room there, and let's go back and check what the confidence level was. So it says 99%, so we can change that confidence level to 0.99. And now we have our lower limit and our upper limit for our confidence interval.